In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your QuickBooks subscription in just a few minutes. Whether you're switching to a different accounting system or just need a break from QuickBooks, this simple guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your account. Open your web browser, go to the QuickBooks website, and click the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Next, select QuickBooks Online from the list of options. This step is important because QuickBooks offers multiple products, and choosing the right one ensures you're in the correct interface. If you're already logged in, you can skip this part and head straight to the settings. Now enter your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Then click Continue to access your dashboard. Once logged in, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner. This is your settings menu. Click it and a drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, select Subscriptions and Billing. This section is where you manage all your subscription and billing details. Click on Subscriptions and Billing to proceed. With it, you'll see the option to cancel your subscription. Click Cancel to start the process. It's important to follow the on-screen prompts carefully. QuickBooks may ask you for feedback or reasons for canceling. Your input is helpful but not required to continue. As you go through the steps, you might see special offers or alternatives to cancellation. It's worth taking a look, but if you're sure about canceling, simply proceed. Finally, confirm your choice when prompted to ensure your subscription is canceled successfully. And that's it for your QuickBooks subscription. Remember, if you ever want to return, you can always start a new subscription anytime. I hope this guide was clear and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Have a great day. Happy bookkeeping.